Hi friends, welcome to the Tyson Discovery Center. I'm Chef Chris and today we're going to make a carbonara beef style pizza. I have some alfredo sauce. However you get your alfredo sauce, make that alfredo sauce, but that's going to be my base. We're going to have a pizza that's going to be non-tomato based. So I'm going to start with a couple ounces in the center, slowly circling outwards. And I want to leave about a ½ inch or so on the edge. I'd say that's pretty close to a ½ inch. We've got some bacon strips that were about, I would say, 80 to 85% of the way cooked. We didn't want to fully cook those because we want them to be crunchy after the pizza comes out of the oven and not extra crispy. I got some caramelized onions. That looks really nice right there. I love caramelized onions. That little bit of sweetness is going to go really well. Some roasted red pepper strips for a little bit of color and flavor. I'm just going to put some right around. Make sure we've got nice distribution. Got my shaved steak right here actually. So I've got some fully cooked shaved steak. It's okay, we want good distribution and coverage. So a lot is okay right here. So I like that really, it looks nice. Let's finish it off with a little bit of grated Parmesan cheese. Got some whole milk mozzarella. Remember to try to build if you can from the outside in, because that's the way your pizza cooks, is from the outside in. So those ingredients will migrate a little bit. I don't know about you guys, but I like my pizza cheesy. Okay. Just a little fresh herb right over the top. Okay. There you have it. We're going to put this into a really hot 450 or hotter pizza oven until we get a nice golden bubbly brown. And we'll be right back for you. Okay, folks, just got back from the oven and this pizza looks absolutely fabulous. Let's cut a slice and look at it and eat it. A little bit of parm over the top. A little bit of fresh herb again. Doesn't that look absolutely delicious? Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.